An Ethiopian Airlines plane carrying 90 people caught fire and crashed into the sea minutes after taking off from Beirut early on January 25th. No survivors were found. In Ottawa, the Foreign Affairs Department said that there was one Canadian citizen on board. Reports said that the pilot flew in the opposite direction from the path recommended by the control tower after taking off from Beirut in thunderstorms. According to market sources, Ace Global Markets led the haul and liability coverage on the plane. The Boeing 737-800 was said to be insured for $39 million. Sources said that Aon Limited, a unit of Chicago-based Aon Corp, is the broker for the airline's coverage. Ascend Worldwide, a UK-based company that tracks aviation accident data, said that this accident is the fourth fatal accident for Boeing's newest generation of 737s.